Hey guys, today we will be doing some work on a Kymco Yup 50 two-stroke scooter. Here are some of the parts that we will be using. I'm going to be installing this Naraku torque spring set. These springs help you with the uphill battle so your scooter stays in higher RPMs. I will be using this 1500 RPM spring. I'm going to be combining the springs with this Naraku Sport Variomatic. Because the spring is now much stronger, we must upgrade the Variomatic so the scooter can drive normally. In the set with the Variomatic you get some weights. In the set you get 6, 7 and 8 gram weights. I won't be using those because the Variomatic comes pre-installed with some weights. I will be using those. I also bought a Naraku piston because I thought it would be a nice idea to do some preventative maintenance. And also I have to change my cylinder head, and why not? These are just the gaskets from Naraku that I will be changing. There is a exhaust gasket, a cylinder head gasket and a cylinder gasket. This is the cylinder head that I will be using. It's from 2 Extreme.